How to make your man miss you. 8 best tips to rekindle the spark. In the beginning, everything feels magical. The late-night calls, the exciting dates, and the constant messages that make you feel like you're on top of the world. But as time passes, it's normal for the intensity to fade a little. You may find that the texts become fewer, the dates more distant, and that spark you once shared seems to dwindle. If you're wondering how to make your man miss you and reignite that initial excitement, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this article, we'll explore 8 proven strategies that will help you create that space and excitement in the relationship again. These tips are not about playing games, but rather about giving your relationship the time, space, and attention it needs to thrive. 1. Give him some space. One of the biggest mistakes couples make in the early stages is spending too much time together. It's easy to get caught up in each other's lives and become overly reliant on each other. However, this can lead to burnout. Men, in particular, value their personal space, and giving him some room to breathe can actually increase his attraction to you. It's essential to understand that constant communication and proximity can often make people take each other for granted. To make him miss you, start by cutting back on the texts, calls, and social media interactions. You don't have to disappear completely, but gradually reduce your constant presence. He'll begin to notice your absence and start to crave your company again. 2. Find other ways to busy yourself. It's natural to want to spend as much time as possible with your partner, but it's also important to maintain your individuality. If you constantly cling to him because you have nothing else going on in your life, you're not giving him the chance to miss you. Instead, focus on building your own life. Join a new hobby class, rekindle friendships, or even take a solo trip. Not only will this make you more interesting, but it will also give him a reason to miss your presence. When you're independent and happy on your own, he'll appreciate the time spent with you even more. 3. Gifts are great. Nothing says, "I'm thinking of you," quite like a thoughtful gift. Gifts don't have to be grand or expensive, but they should remind him of you. A simple gesture, like giving him a pillow cover or a bedsheet set, can make him think of you every night. Items he uses every day, like a favorite cologne, aftershave, or soap, can keep your memory alive whenever he uses them. If you want to go the extra mile, consider gifting something a little more personal, like a watch or a tie that he can wear during important occasions. Whatever you choose, make sure it's something that aligns with his tastes and interests. 4. Leave behind something accidental. If you're not yet ready to shower him with gifts, leaving something behind can be an effective way to make him think of you. It doesn't have to be anything major, just something small that has sentimental value, like a cute earring or a bracelet. Don't just leave it in plain sight. Make it look like you've accidentally left it behind. Maybe hide it between cushions or under the couch. This tactic gives you the perfect excuse to reconnect with him when he returns your belongings. It's a subtle way of letting him know that he's missed you without saying a word. 5. Take things slower than him. A relationship that moves too quickly can burn out just as fast. If you want to make him miss you, slow things down. Women often feel the need to hurry things along, but taking things at a slower pace can make him eager to move things forward. By holding back a little and not giving in to his every request immediately, you create a sense of longing. He'll start to wonder why you're not rushing into things and begin to desire your presence more. A little mystery goes a long way in keeping him intrigued and emotionally invested in you. 6. Become active on social media. Showing that you have a life beyond him is one of the most powerful ways to make your man miss you. When he sees you out enjoying life, whether it's with friends or pursuing your own interests, he'll start to appreciate your company even more. This doesn't mean you need to overshare every detail of your day, but post occasional pictures of yourself having fun with friends or at social events. Let him see you enjoying life and living for yourself. Seeing you having a good time without him will spark his curiosity and make him want to spend more time with you. 7. Don't say yes immediately. If he invites you out or asks to see you, don't jump at the chance right away. Be a little more elusive. Tell him you need to check your schedule or see if you have plans with your friends. By making him wait for a little while, you show that you're not just waiting around for him. Occasionally, say no and make it clear that you have other commitments. This doesn't mean you should play hard to get all the time, but creating a balance between availability and mystery can keep him interested and give him the chance to miss you. 8. Take time to get back to him. In today's fast-paced world, we're all guilty of jumping at our phones the second we get a message. But if you want him to miss you, it's important to take your time before responding. If he messages you, wait a few hours before replying. Let him see that you have a busy life and that you're not just waiting for him to reach out. This doesn't mean you should ignore him, but showing that you have a life outside of him makes you more intriguing. He'll start to wonder why you didn't reply right away, and when you finally do, he'll be excited to hear from you. Conclusion. In relationships, the key to keeping the spark alive is balance. You don't want to be too distant, but you also don't want to be too available. By following these 8 tips, you can create the right mix of mystery, independence, and attention that will make your man miss you and reignite the passion in your relationship. Remember, relationships require effort from both sides, so don't be afraid to take a step back and let him miss the things that make you special. When he starts to feel your absence, he'll realize just how much he truly values your presence. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.